Now, these three magnetic rings, when they align, it creates an artificial black hole.
And you've created one?
Absolutely, yes, because we can use that immense power to bend space-time. Look,
Lieutenant, I want this room sealed off. Second containment from here on in is off limits.
Yes, sir.
Captain, there's no danger. It's perfectly safe.
Safe! Doctor, my ship is in pieces and one of my crewmen may not make it home alive. No.
Be with me. Forever.
Dr. Weir!